Pelican number 1, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up repair report for Joe in Michigan on its General Lee. Joe, you sent it in, no output. Took care of that. MOSFETs were blown, replaced those with some Vishay IRF 520s, Toshiba voltage regulator, and the tune alignment. Show you what we got here. Now, I know you said you wouldn't go run an amp, but our power on the low side. Set up 2 watts right there. That way if you decide to run an amp later on or somebody else buys it, they know that most likely they can run an amp. You can run it here on high, 25 watt slug, 10 watts carrier. Show you forward average. 23 bird, 50 watts slug and peak. 50 watts right in the corner. Now I did go ahead and wideband your SRA 198, so it's going to have a little bit bigger, bolder sound to it. And if you get any more questions, Joe, just give me a shout. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.